Hi, it's Glenda, and I wanted to show you how to shape this golf club and bowl for the soap that I published before. Here I have some leftover soap from a recent project. It's not a specific soap dough recipe, so it's actually stickier than usual. So I am using cornstarch to help me handle it. The cornstarch just helps absorb some of the moisture, so it's easier to handle. And I'm pretty much just trying to shape a small bowl. And because it is soft, first I'm going to shape the balls and then I'm going to leave them on the side before adding the texture, like the one you see in the background. And I'm pretty much just rolling to the left, to the right in a round motion. Now to add the texture, I'm using the end of this brush, which is very rounded, and I'm putting a little bit of cornstarch on it too to keep it from distorting the soap too much by getting stuck to it. And I'm just lightly pressing around the bowl to create these indentations. When I made the first golf soap bowls, I use a specific tool that has a rounded end, and I'm going to include a link in the description box to something similar. But anything that you have around your house that has a rounded end should work. And just be careful of tapping or making the indentations light. Initially I had made them too deep to the point that it distorted the shape of the bowl, and so you just want to have a light touch. Well, after this I'm going to make the golf club, and I'm using some gray soap dough. Pretty much I'm just rolling it into like a thin snake shape of whichever length that you need. However, I'm making it longer because I'm going to use part of this to make the actual tip of the club. So you can also adjust the length later after you've done this part. So pretty much what I will be doing is that I will fold the tip of it like about maybe half an inch, a quarter inch, and then fold it again just to add an angle to create that shape. Then with my fingers I'm going to adjust it. There's many kinds of club shapes that I've googled. However, this seems to be an universal one, and I'm using, if you have a tool, even better. Better than that, I'm just using the end of the brush as well to sort of merge it together to smooth it over, and then I'm using a big pin, the tip of it, to create a texture of lines. If you can, dust it lightly with silver mica to complete the metallic effect. And anyway, this is it. Thank you for watching. Bye.